Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a huge craft store and felt a little lost about where to even start? Today, Hannah is heading to Michael's, one of the biggest and most familiar craft stores in America, famous for its endless aisles of yarn, paint, and everything a maker could dream of, to gather supplies for a cozy new project. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah is going to use one simple, friendly phrase whenever she needs a hand. Would it be possible to? You can use this exact phrase at Michael's, or really any shop, anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and get ready for a little crafting adventure. Let's go to Michael's. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions today. 1. Find the right yarn with a nervous new team member. 2. Pick out paint and flowers with a chatty, story-loving helper, even when her first color is sold out. 3. Choose a picture frame with a quiet, expert framer. Shopping for craft supplies is something people do in every town in America. And one simple phrase, would it be possible to, can carry you gently through the whole visit, from finding an aisle to picking out a frame. By the end of this video, you will be able to politely ask for help, ask for a recommendation, ask about other colors when something is out, and ask where to find something, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's go to Michael's. Here are today's 5 Michael's key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? This is today's magic phrase. Would it be possible to? Is a gentle, polite way to ask for help without any pressure. It sounds soft and considerate, like you're giving the other person room to say yes. It's warm, respectful, and never demanding. Key phrase 2. Which one would you recommend for a beginner? Which one would you recommend for a beginner? A friendly way to ask for a suggestion when you're not sure. Key phrase 3. Do you have this in any other colors? Do you have this in any other colors? A simple, useful way to ask about other options when something is out of stock. Key phrase 4. Could I get 2 of these instead? Could I get 2 of these instead? An easy, polite way to choose a different option. Key phrase 5. Where can I find the picture frames? Where can I find the picture frames? A relaxed way to ask where something is in a big store. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Michael's. Hannah steps into a bright, colorful Michael's store, tall aisles of yarn glowing in every shade. Near the yarn wall, holding a scanner and looking a little unsure, is Noah, a nervous new team member in his early 20s, name tag slightly crooked, checking a shelf tag twice to be sure.
Oh, hi. Can I help you find something? It's, my first week, so bear with me.
Of course, no rush at all. Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? I want to make a soft scarf.
Yeah, okay. Soft scarf. So Michael's has a whole wall right here. This soft one is really popular.
Oh, that is soft. Which one would you recommend for a beginner?
Honestly, this one. It's thick, so it knits up fast. And, my manager says it's the easiest to work with. Let me double check the price for you.
Take your time. You're doing great.
Got it. And it's on sale this week at Michael's. Nice timing.
Perfect. I'll take 3, then.
3 soft ones. There you go. See, I got one right.
You got them all right. Thank you.
Nicely done, Hannah. Notice the phrase, would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? A gentle, polite way to ask for help. Would it be possible to? Doesn't push or demand. It softly opens the door, and it gives the other person space to say of course. This phrase is especially kind to a nervous new helper like Noah. A soft request puts everyone at ease. You can almost see him relax. A gentle would it be possible to? Plus a little patience equals a warm, easy start. Hannah rolls her basket to the paint and flower aisle. There, restocking brushes and clearly happy to chat, is Marcus. A friendly, talkative helper in his 30s who loves a good side story.
Well, hey there. Finding everything okay? Ooh. Soft yarn, good pick. You a knitter?
Just starting. I also need some paint. Would it be possible to point me to a nice sky blue?
Absolutely. Sky blue's right over, Oh, shoot. Looks like we're sold out of that exact one. Big weekend for painters, I guess. You know, last month we sold out of red before a whole art class showed up. Wild.
Oh, no problem. Do you have this in any other colors?
We do. Here. A soft robin's egg and a powder blue. Honestly? For a beginner at Michael's, either one's gorgeous. This robin's egg is my favorite.
I love that one. Could I get 2 of these instead?
2 robin's eggs, coming up. Oh. And grab some of these artificial flowers while you're here, they're half off. My sister decorates her whole apartment with the Michaels ones.
Sold. I'll take a few.
Good choices all around. You're gonna have fun with this.
Look at that. Hannah's first color was sold out, but she stayed relaxed and simply asked for another option. Notice how she used "Do you have this in any other colors?" A simple, friendly way to ask about alternatives when something is out of stock. And then "Could I get 2 of these instead?" To happily choose a different one. When a shop is out of what you wanted, these 2 little phrases turn a small "oh no" into an easy "oh, sure." And chatty Marcus made the whole thing fun. Out of stock? No problem. Just ask what else they have. Basket full, Hannah heads to the custom framing counter. There, calm and precise, lining up a mat board with steady hands, is Theo. A quiet, expert framer in his 40s who lets his careful work do the talking.
Hi. Where can I find the picture frames? I'd love one for a little painting.
Right here. Walls behind me. What size?
Something small. About this big.
These 2. Natural wood. Or black.
Ooh, they're both lovely. Which one would you recommend for a soft blue painting?
Wood. Warm. Lets the blue breathe.
You have a good eye. I trust you. I'll take the wood one.
Good choice. Michael's does the corners clean. It'll last.
It's perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the painting.
I will. Thanks to you, I've got everything I need from Michael's today.
Wonderful. Today Hannah gathered a whole basket of craft supplies at Michael's. Meeting nervous new Noah, chatty Marcus, and quiet, expert Theo along the way. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, "Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn?" That simple "would it be possible to" opened every door politely, right from the very first hello. A gentle question plus a helpful team equals a smooth, happy visit, at any Michael's store, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. The new helper, Noah, looks up and says, "Hi. Can I help you find something?" What should Hannah say next to politely ask for help finding yarn? A. Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? B. You find my yarn now. C. Give me the yarn aisle. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will turn any trip to a craft store, or really any big shop in America, into a calm, confident experience. Would it be possible to help me find the right yarn? Which one would you recommend for a beginner? Do you have this in any other colors? Could I get 2 of these instead? Where can I find the picture frames? With these 5 phrases, wandering a big store full of choices feels less like getting lost, and more like a little adventure you're fully ready for. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, join us at the New York Public Library, where Hannah helps a nervous first-time visitor find his way, all in fresh, easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.